Hey guys, we're trying a new chicken meal. I found this recipe on YouTube actually. It's kind of like a brown sugar garlic chicken. So I have some chicken right here. And basically what you do is you take some olive oil with some garlic and also brown sugar. And you mix like the olive oil, the garlic, and the brown sugar, and you base it on this chicken. You bake it for I think 25 minutes, and I might have a baked potato and broccoli with it tonight. So we're trying a new chicken dish tonight, guys. All right, the first step, I'm gonna just put some olive oil in the pan. For this recipe, it's for 4 chicken breasts, but since I'm having 2 only, I think you want to do 4 tablespoons for 4 chicken and maybe 2 tablespoons for 2 chicken breasts. I'm just gonna estimate. I think that's about good, right there. So right now we're gonna probably take about 2 tablespoons of garlic and put it in this pan right here. Alright, and we're just gonna stir the garlic in the oil a little bit, just for a few minutes. And we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And now we're just gonna stir it. Alright, here I just have 2 chicken breasts. I'm just going to poke some holes with a knife just so the sauce can really, get deep in the chicken. And then I'm just going to start pouring this sauce over the chicken. I wonder if this is going to be good since I've never tried this recipe before, guys. Should be interesting. Alright, looks great, guys. We're gonna bake it at 380 or 375 for about 20 minutes until brown. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a Valentine's Day dinner. This was not planned. I was just gonna make this new chicken meal for you guys. But the very last minute, I was telling my niece, I wonder if I should make this like a Valentine's Day like special dinner. And so my niece, we all went to, and my nephews, we went to the dollar store. So we got this for $1. Isn't this cute, guys? We got that for $1. We got these little shot glasses for $1. It says "Kiss Me." And I'll be drinking some wine. Pink Moscata. I'm pouring that in the shot glass. So this is the chicken. I've never had this before. I'm just trying something new. Baked potato, broccoli. Oh, and then at the dollar store, we got some of these mini vanilla cream puffs. And then later, we will be, later I'll be eating this chocolate rolls, so that should be interesting. Alright guys, let's get this video started. So. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry.
But what if it fizzes?
It is fizzing. My niece right now, she's next to me, she is so excited. I don't know why she's so excited. She's like, everything looks so cute. And alright guys.
I love like there was a balloon back there.
Oh, there's a balloon. You can see it.
I love this. And she has like that little pot thingy.
This is $1. Alright, kiss me guys. So, where did I do them? I wanted to get like a Valentine's Day wine glass, and I didn't find any, so I figured these shot glasses are really cute. So, this is going to be hard to cut.
Comment below if you think this is the perfect Valentine's video.
So, I cut the chicken already because it was hard to cut it on here, but try it out. Good. Nice. Nice and sweet. It's really good. Alright, what do you guys do for Valentine's Day? I'm not doing anything. I should go on a date, but I'm not. I don't know why.
What?
So.
You're not gonna get pregnant though.
No, I'm not gonna get pregnant. The hell? But, let me know what you guys are doing today.
How old is that?
On Valentine's Day.
Sister.
What?
Nothing. I just said how.
So if you guys are enjoying this Valentine's Day dinner, I think I'm gonna upload this around 5 p.m. Valentine's Day. I'm thinking, I'm not sure. Well, my time. But anyways, I was telling my mom that I want to do a Valentine's Day special video, and my mom says I should get a guy involved, and I don't really know any guys that I want to be in my video. So, but I can tell you a little story about like a dating, not really a dating experience, a guy that I really liked. He was in my drama class when I was in high school, and I really liked him. He had blonde hair. He was really cute. He was very, very good at acting. And one time I recorded his monologue. It was just so good. And I played it for several years later. And I really liked this guy a lot. But I was too shy to tell him. So, after high school, I saw him work at Video Outlet. And what I did is I wrote a letter to him, addressed to Video Outlet. I didn't say I liked him, but I just said, you know, hey, what you doing? I saw you Video Outlet. I wanted to say hi to you, but I was really shy. And he actually wrote me back.
Ooh.
And we wrote for, you know, I think he lives in Virginia right now, and we wrote for a few months. And we never really got out or anything like that. But I can tell you how shy I was in high school. If I liked a guy, I wouldn't really tell him. I would just write him. But I didn't really actually write him and said I liked him. I just said, you know, hey, how you doing? You work at Video Outlet. That's pretty cool. So.
What was that person's name?
Matt.
Matt. Oh, okay.
I always love the name Matt. Or Matthew. I don't know why. That's a little story. It's not really much of a story. It's just something that's fun to tell, I guess. Back to the chicken. It's pretty good. It's not really wowing me, but it's not terribly bad. It's like a sweet flavor. Some garlic.
She put brown sugar.
Yeah, it's like a sweet flavor, some garlic, you know, flavor. They're good. Oh, I have another story I can tell you. It's not much of a story. Since Valentine's Day, I'll just tell you about all the guys I liked. When I was in 5th grade, I liked this guy, right? And some girl at school told me to kiss him. And he said, if you're going to kiss me, I'm going to punch you to the ground or something. And I didn't really believe him, so I gave him a kiss on the, not the cheek, I think it was on the arm or something, and he like pushed me to the ground.
OMG, what the heck?
And so that could be the start of why I don't date that much, because of that. I don't know if that's really true, but alright, yeah, so this chicken's pretty good. Just let's say it has a light sweet flavor. So if you ever make ground, you know, plain chicken and you're bored of plain chicken, you want a little bit sweet, it's pretty good. This one's good too. I left over from the New Year's Day special I did, or New Year's Eve. I don't do a lot of, I only did it for the video. I don't usually drink a wine, really. So. Yeah, it's a pretty good healthy meal. trying to think of other stories I could tell you about dating or whatever, but I can't really think of anything right now. So, but I hope you guys are having a great Valentine's Day. Let me know in the comments what you're doing. I'm curious.
Yeah, are you dating somebody? Or are you husband or wife, like, maybe going out somewhere?
Yeah, are you alone like me? After you're a certain age and you haven't dated in a while, it's just so much easier to be single.
It is. I want to be like you, honestly.
Why?
I don't know. It's just, I don't want to have kids. I mean, I want to have kids for a reason. I don't want to have kids for a reason. I don't know what. I don't know which one I want to do. Well, I have a long way to go, but...
You're still very young. I'm just drinking this whole bottle of wine. I don't think I drink this much of wine when I do the New Year's special on my video.
You only have drank half, I think.
But this, I guess because I'm thirsty because I'm eating food. But this one's gone. There's nothing here. Yeah, it's pretty good. If I would have rated this, I'll probably get 4 out of 5. I'll leave this link in the description of the video that I saw and also the recipe online. But I'm not going to eat the whole thing because there's a lot of chicken, but let's try some of this rose candy. I got this at Rite Aid for $1.99 in case you were curious. In case that people want to do like a last minute thing or something. You might like it because it's sweet. So let me show you what it looks like. It looks like it's separate, the chocolate separate from the stem. That's what it looks like. If you're curious, let's try a few bites. This is chocolate. It's no nuts, nothing.
It's just basically like chocolate.
Yeah. It's good. Yeah, really good. I'll try one of these vanilla cream puffs I got at the dollar store. They're only $1, so. And I love vanilla, so. You're supposed to defrost them for 30 minutes, and I've done that already. Let's try it out. Pretty good. It'd be good with like a cup of coffee.
Oh yeah, I was thinking actually.
I'm gonna another one because they're really good. I prefer this over the chocolate, but if you need something for your boyfriend, girlfriend for Valentine's Day, you can get that rose candy. But
It looks so good. I want some, but I'm not allowed.
that's just so good. I would recommend this for $1 at the dollar store.
And it comes with 8. So, if you have like 4 people in your family, they can all get 2.
So I got that at the 99-cent store. In case you're curious, I know there's a lot of different dollar stores. So I'm gonna finish this wine for you guys. I drank the whole bottle. No, I'm drunk. I was kidding. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is a very fun video to do. Like I said, it's the very last minute thing. The chicken wasn't last minute, but doing the Valentine's special, I literally had the chicken in the toaster oven cooking, and I went to the dollar store and I got a couple of these items for you guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great Valentine's Day. Let me know in the comments below, what are you doing? Are you alone like me? Are you single? Are you on a first date? Are you married and are you gonna do something fun? Let me know. I'm just curious. And have a great Valentine's Day, guys. Peace.